So these are permanent paint markers. I thought they were just regular permanent markers, but after reading like fully their product page, they're paint markers, and you can use this for tools, construction work. You don't have to be just a college student. You can use this for work, school, like any type of work field that requires you to mark things, especially on wood or things where the surface can't be that good, like not basically comparable to paper. So I might even show you guys, maybe I might get a rock or something and show you guys, see if it shows up on there, and to see if this is like a good product for you to use outside of the usual. So like if you're in construction or anything that requires you to be hands-on and you have to mark tools or certain different materials or surfaces, then yeah, I think this will be a good test to show you guys. So I got a rock outside and I'm just gonna be quickly drawing on it. It still has some dirt. I tried to dust off as much as I could, but and it's not what's it called? Smearing or anything. So we know now the red one is good. Let's try the white one. The white one is really nice. It's way more. This one still smudges. It's just the white one that smudges. The other ones seem to dry very quickly, but I think the white one actually probably has more pigment or paint than the other ones. But let's try the blue one. No smudging. Oh wait, never mind. A little bit. It's hard to tell. But so far the red one hasn't had any smudging on it. Well, not smudging, but like the ink got on my fingers. Now let's try the green one. Let me do it more. And then a very little. See, they're smudging very little. So on different material and paper, it dries up quickly. On a rock, it is taking, like when you smudge it right away, it's gonna get on your finger. But it's not like a whole lot, and it's not ruining the lines or anything. So if you have like a straight line, like see, it does smudge. The black one does too. But overall, it's still a great product, I feel like. And you can do it on cardboard, of course. And if you can do it on rock, you can probably do it in a lot of other materials. I also have this shiny thing here. I don't know what the material is here, but it shows up. And it doesn't smear. This one didn't smear. Oh, wow. So it's actually better on here than the rock. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys on different surfaces how this applies and see if this is the right product for you, no matter what you're gonna use it for. Like I said, if you want to use it for construction work or a different type of hands-on job that you need to mark things with, or just as a college student or in your work environment, you just like to have permanent paint pens when sketching, drawing, or writing notes or anything, this is a good product for anyone. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm going to be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's going to be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.